Fuerte, va abajo Diop. El capitán va dejando para Jared. Buen toque para Rongier.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:33 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from Lost Dutchman State Park to near downtown Mesa to South Phoenix to 8 miles southeast of Australia Mountain Park, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 229. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 15. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 135 and 187. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 171 and 197. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 1 and 30. Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 2 and 57. Arizona Route 74 between mile markers 15 and 30. Arizona Route 303 between mile markers 105 and 139. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 120 and 158. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Mesa, Glendale, Scottsdale, Tempe, Peoria, Surprise, Avondale, Goodyear, Buckeye, Apache Junction, El Mirage, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, and Tolleson. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:35 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Levine, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Chandler, Glendale, Tempe, Avondale, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Levine, Cashin, Litchfield Park, Poplico Park, PS2 Peak Park, South Phoenix, North Mountain Park, and Arizona State Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 210. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 10. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 151 and 175. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 1 and 9 and near mile marker 55. Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 2 and 9. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 129 and 161. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal.
¿Cuánto agrega de propina Frappa?